My baby. Tyson here. Rats. Here, there's a rat. Here's my boy. My old Margot. Where's the rats? Get on, son. Where's your dog? Is she eating more? Tell her then. Go on, Ches. Come here, baby. Come on, baby. Where's my little girl? 1, 2, 3, 4 boys and girls. My new additions. Thank you, Watty. Thank you, Denise. That's one of my dudes. Ooh, 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 ooh. I don't know if you can see him, boys and girls. Ooh, 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 ooh. He loves it, look. Dog thinks it's found him out of rats. I've seen a rat. Then we've got this. Oh. Fatty. Say hello. Hi. Are you happy with son? Yeah. Right. Yeah. Hey, pick all them up. All 3 bowls up. Put them up there. And put some over top of them. There's a tub of something to put over them so no flies get onto them. And here's my new ones. That's just a young hen. Malted out. Look at him. He's a proper do. Yes, we're having some Scottish doos coming on. Over the bleeding moon. All my cocks are in here. Pigeon cocks. With a few babies. And that's it. Done for breeding. Happy as Larry. So all my hens are in there. Get out. Touch me birds. I'll kill you. That's all my pigeon hens. Roller hens. Ooh, she's a nice little hen. Ooh. Look at him for a bird. Leave her alone. Oi! Stop! Stop biting her! Proper birds. Thank you, Watty. Again, proper birds.